Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is February, the month of love, date night, going out, yeah, Love, that is February. And also, probably, in my humble opinion, the best month of the year. I mean, it is my birthday month, so yeah, just gonna throw that out there. So I did celebrate my birthday yesterday, which was the 1st of February, and today's the 2nd, and yeah, here I am talking in front of a camera. What else is new? So, for Valentine's Day, whether you're going out or staying in, going to a fancy restaurant, or just, keeping it casual, I feel like this look right here, it can, lean towards both ways. Maybe a little bit towards the fancier side, but not like too crazy dramatic fancy. So this is the look I have going on for your perfect Valentine's Day look, makeup look. Alright, so let's get started. Obviously, I have my brows all done and, ready to go. And now we're diving into the eyes. So for this Valentine's Day look, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection L'Amour 15 color shadow palette. So I don't know if it was obvious to you guys or not, but these shadows, they don't have any names to them. So as I go along, I'll show you on the screen like which shadows I'm using. So first, I'm taking this color right here. And by the way, I already primed my eyes using the Wet n Wild eye primer. So now taking that shade, I'm going to place it just all over my lid. Alright, next, taking this shade right here, placing that on the sockets of my eyes, like so. So using the same brush I just used, I'm going to pick up some of this right here and place that on the outer corner of my eye and then kind of like sweep it in. Now picking up a much smaller brush, I'm going to pick up this shade right here and again focus that on the outer corner and sweep it in. Alright, so now that we have like the outer part of our eyes pretty much complete, I mean, I like the whole like darkened look, but not too dark in my opinion. So the outer corner of the eye is good to go. Now we're focusing on the inner part of our eyes. So I went ahead and put a little bit of concealer on the inner part of my eyes just to not really make like a cut crease, but more to bring out the, the next shade I'm going to put on my eyes. So using my fingers, I'm going to pick up this beautiful gold shade you see right here and place that right on top of the concealer I placed on. Taking this small brush I used earlier, I'm going to pick up some of this shade right here and just kind of place that in between where the gold is and that like red is, kind of like diffuse that area a little bit, if you will. Alright, so now to bring out that like gold area just a little bit more, I'm going to take this Heavy Metal by Urban Decay and place it just on the gold areas of my eyelid. Alright, so now for my eyes, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. Alright, so for my eyes, I wanted to give it just a little bit more bling, a little bit more like sparkle shine type of deal. So I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Sunset Cove. And I'm going to place that just on the inner corners of my eyes. You see that? Just like that. I mean, just on the inner corners, it's barely there, but just enough where you're like, ooh, I like what's on the inner corner. I like it. You guys, I don't even know where my camera stopped recording. I mean, like, all of a sudden, the camera just went out, and here I am putting my makeup on, chit-chatting, and recording videos, and next thing you know, the camera just stops. And yeah, so I'm not too sure exactly where the camera turned off, but I ended up finishing my makeup. So this is the final look for the Valentine's Day look. Let me tell you guys quickly what I used. So for my foundation, I went in with the YSL Radiance Awakening Foundation. For my concealer, I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape. For my bronzer, I took the Butter Bronzer. For the cheeks, to, give it some rosy cheeks, I took my NARS Orgasm, and it is broken. I mean, like, the thing is broken, but, I mean, it still works. For my highlight, I took the Emrezy Highlight. And then for my lips, I took the Dose of Color in my Main. And then, of course, I topped it all off using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And this is the final look. Alright, so I'm really sorry, you guys. I do apologize where the video cut off. I'm not too sure exactly where it cut off, but yeah, hopefully you guys, at least the main part of this video, I feel like was the eye part, and that I know did not cut off at all. Everything else in the face, you can use literally any product that you like. Any highlight, you know, any bronzer, any, you know, any foundation. But the eye part is like the main attraction in this, you know, Valentine's Day look. So that part has been recorded. So yeah, so at least you got the eye look going on, which is, like I said, the main, like the main event of this makeup look. Now it's time for the giveaway announcement. Alright, so obviously January has come and gone so quickly, and the giveaway for that has ended, and I will be contacting the winner that I have already selected. Now it's time for February's giveaway. So in this giveaway, if you want to recreate this eye look and you're like, ooh, Sarah, I really like that look, I want to recreate it, or maybe you just want a brand new palette, I don't know, whatever the reason might be, I am doing a giveaway. So we'll be giving away the same exact palette that I use for this eye look, but of course you'll be getting a brand new spanking palette. So for the giveaway, the rules are very simple. Number one, read the rules down below in the description box. I'll list them down below. Number two, I want you guys to comment down below, let's see, what kind of music do you recommend? Like, tell me a song that you really like and recommend it to me. Comment down below a song recommendation. I mean, I want to create a new playlist, but I want to like kind of venture out and see what other people like, and you know, just give me a comment down below of your favorite song that you think I should listen to. And also on top of that, put a heart emoji. There you go. So those are the rules. So the stuff I'm telling you guys in this video might not be in the list of rules down below. So if you're watching this part right now, you have like that, you know, that edge up, if that makes sense. So yeah, rules down below, follow those rules, and on top of that, music, song choice that you recommend, and a heart emoji. Those are the rules. So good luck to everyone that enters, of course, and that is pretty much it, guys. Alright, so what else? That's it, guys. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye!